Hello. This tutorial will walk you through how to set a default browser on your laptop. Most of the programs that we use at school run best on the Google Chrome browser, but for some of the students, it might not be set to that, so it might be opening programs in Microsoft Edge or Safari or other programs that are not really the best platform, and things may not open and work properly. So I'm going to show you how to actually change or double check that your default browser is Google Chrome. So to check your default browser, you're going to go down to the bottom left corner where there's by the start menu where the four white squares are, and there's going to be a magnifying glass, which is the search box. And I'm going to start typing the word default, DEFA. And now on some computers, it says default apps. On other computers, it might say default browser or default settings. But wherever you see it says something of the nature of default apps or settings, we want to click and open that up. And then once it opens up, it'll kind of show you what the default settings are for that particular computer that you're on. And it's either at the top, on some programs, it might be at the top or it might be at the bottom. You would see where it says web browser. Mine is default to Google Chrome, which means every time I go to the internet, it's going to start up opening it in Chrome. No matter what website I'm on, it's going to use Chrome to open it, which is the best program to use for our tools. If you're not sure, if yours says something different, if you click on it, you can see that there are other options. So if your computer is set to a different browser, we want to see if you can go ahead and change it and select it to Chrome and make sure that that is your default browser, because iReady and Clever and everything runs best with that. So hopefully that answers the quick question of how to set your default browser.